So can you explain to me the spinner that you guys made? What? Can you use some of your probability language that we talked about?
Well, I think the orange is the most likely.
Why is the orange the most likely?
Because it's two squares.
Because there's two squares.
Yeah.
What about blue and your pink there? What's the probability that it might land on that? Yeah.
Unlikely.
Why do you think it's unlikely?
Because they both have one.
Okay. Now, what about? Is there any color that might be impossible?
Pink. No, not pink. This is pink. Pink, brown.
Brown. Why would brown be impossible?
Because it's obvious. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I think this one's black.
So let's do some spinning, and we'll keep track of our tallies to see
It's
what
my
color
turn now.
ends up being the most popular. Now, what can you tell me about your spinner here?
There's 6 triangles.
So there's six different triangles. Is there any one that is most likely to land on?
No.
Why not?
Because they all have one.
They all only have one. So what probability word?
Equally likely.
They're all equal. And why are they all equally likely then?
Because they all have the same amount.
They all have the same amount. Is there anyone that's impossible on there?
Black.
Why would black be impossible?
Because there's not even any single black.
Okay. All right, well, let's do some spinning and track which one ends up being the most popular, okay? Can you guys use your probability vocabulary to tell me about the spinner you made?
So the teal is most likely
Why is that?
because it has the most colors.
Okay.
And the blue, orange, and black are unlikely.
It's unlikely. Why are they unlikely?
Because you might get them or you might not.
Now, could you describe the orange, blue, and black in another way? What's the probability that you might land on those compared to each other?
Equally likely.
Why did you say equally likely?
Because they could go in. They could be in one of the three. This one's
Oh, because they all each have one. Is there any color that would be impossible on here?
I think it would be purple.
Why did you say purple?
Because there's no purple.
Okay. Well, I'm excited to see what your tallies look like after you do some spinning.